guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mask in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. Here we have our node and now we want to duplicate our node. Just press Alt S if you're using Windows, Option S if you're using Mac. And then from there you will have to go here to your window. And then here just select the circle basically, and then we'll have to mask around the logo. So just center it right there until we get the right size. So you can resize it right here. So let's see if we can resize it, and there we go basically. So you can also use the masking tool, manually mask the object that you want to, and then from now just go here to your tracker. So we haven't tracked it yet, so just press this button right here to go forward and track it backward. So there you go basically. Now when you zoom out into the whole photo right here and check it out, now it's being tracked. So now you can mess around with this. You can change the color grading of the mask. So you can change it to shadows, you can change its color grading. You can even add effects such as, let's just say blur. So such as this. Let's do box blur right here. And there you go. So you have blurred the logo basically. So now it's gonna track it as you're doing so. So there you go guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.